to find your archive story on your Instagram account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. First you will go to Instagram and you will open it. After this, when you open your Instagram, you will just go down and open your profile, and then when your profile is opening, we just go here on this three line and click. Then you will go to your activity and click again. And now when it's opening guys, you will go to archive, and here you will find all your archive story on this Instagram account. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next